Yeah, we're having a walk going to these rides. Yeah. And these girls are busy. Lisa! Lisa! Rain! Jelly! Oh, let's go! Are you ready? We're all sweating. Can we just go home? Oh, we will go home now because I'm sweating. It's very warm. Yeah? Do you want to go home? Let's just go and go to the beach. You can go home now. Are you not hungry yet? Are you not hungry yet? Ooh. There's a lot of people. We can just go home and rest. Olaf? I thought you don't like Olaf. Do you like Olaf? Jelly? If you need water, I have more water in my bag, okay? If you need water, I have water in my bag. Okay. And if you're hungry, you have cookies and sandwich in my bag. Just tell me if you're hungry, okay? But we're almost reaching the Disney gate. What? What do you want? You don't want to take pictures there? Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse is sleeping maybe. He is tired.
Why is Mickey Mouse like
Because Mickey Mouse is nice. Where are you going, Jelly? This way. So what do you wanna do now? Where? Adventional or the we sightsee first some places. We sightsee first some places. Or do you wanna take the ride now? The rides? Or later? Later maybe. So that after we will see the parade. I think they will have this parade. No rain. You don't like the parade?
No, I don't like it.
I want to see the parade later. Jelly, can you please check it in the guide map if the parade will start what time?